You know, there's just a time when you kind of say, I'm done, y'all. That's all I'm going to do. So this is the end look. The things I liked, I do like this Rare Beauty. I would use it again. So I'm going to keep that. I definitely do like the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc perfume. Going to put that in my purse because I think that's fantastic. And again, it's a great way to try something to see if you like it before you put the money into a full size. And also, you can have a small purse size. So that's the other big thing about it. I don't like at all this eyeshadow. I don't like it, but I feel like I've done enough to try to deal with it. I did not put on contour yet. So I'll do that. It may time out while I do that, but I'm going to do that real quick. Going to use, this is my Sigma blush palette, which I absolutely adore. I'm going to use this, wait a minute, is that Sigma? Yeah. Corte Rosa back here. Give me a little contour in there. On the edges. And underneath. To kind of attack the fatties. Give myself a little shadow right there. Again, right here. Gotta stay right above that. And I do come in some because I do not have this shape face. I have a square shape face. And I also have chipmunk cheeks. So that's why I always do come further in than you really are supposed to if you have the right shape face. But if you don't, that doesn't work. Like some people stop right there. But I have these. So I can bring it on in to give me a little contour in my little chipmunk cheeks. And also under the nose, I got a kind of bulbous nose. So I'm just going to make sure that I get a little of that. And then I'm going to go to the pink color next to it, which is called Pinkin'. And just dot the top of my cheeks with some pink. Apples and on up. And then in front of the blush that I just did back here, come right in front of it and finish it out. And also the bridge of the nose where sun really would be. And I need to do my little line over here. Do you see how I did a line? Very important when you do a line that you do what? You blend it out. All the way back past your ear, all the way down. And right there on the little fatty flaps too. And then I also like to come right under the chin. Right there. And I come up a little because I've got a very bulbous chin and a very bulbous nose. Now I look very sunburned. If you ever feel like you've ever done it, just put a little powder in front of it and pull back. And just kind of, okay, my hair's trying to say, hey, I'm here. That's okay, hair, we want you to be there. Okay, who talks to their hair and their body parts? Alright, y'all, so that's the look. What do you think? I felt like I've blended as much as I can or want to on everything. I could blend this eye out a little more, but here's the thing, if I blend the eye out, I'm going to lose that green color altogether. Let's just try it. Let's prove me right. Just blend right there in front, right there, where it's so dark, and then roll it back here so it's not so dark. It needed it big time. Blend it up. Kind of roll back here, kind of get rid of it a little bit. There's a point where you're done. I'm done. So, what do y'all think? And also, I am going to just use the fatty part of my hand just to kind of clean up back there a little bit. Get that off. I got my little claws hanging over here on my... I'll kind of clean off my brush real quick in between washings and just always wipe it off. And then, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and use my favorite of all favorites, the Flower Beauty Flower Seal the Deal face spray. And just do one straight down and then one straight across. Maybe two. And it is excellent, especially if you used a lot of powder, which today I did. It's excellent for giving yourself a little bit of a shine, shimmer. So there, that's my look. What do y'all think? So, real thoughts on the Too Faced palette. The lip gloss is definitely going back. Do you think that it looks like my lips are actually plumped? You know what I think it does? Maybe it does plump them a little, but it bleeds so bad it looks like it just ate fried chicken. Barbecue fried chicken or orange fried chicken. It looks how it bleeds up and looks very messy. Like right there in the Cupid show. I'm just going to come down to show you how high up it goes. That bled up. I didn't go that high. And maybe it does make me look a little more poochy. But it also just looks greasy. You know? Here, I'll take it off the Cupid's bow. I guess. What do y'all think? Do my lips look more poochy? Is that a good look for me? I'm not even sure it's a good look for me to have poochy lips.